Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today I bring you a new model, and this is the Vivo X Fold 2, the latest foldable flagship model from Vivo, and it's time to also work with Zeus to bring us this flagship foldable phone. And today I'm going to have a very quick unboxing video about this model, and I have also talk about the specification about this model. And here is the books, and this time we got the Vivo X Fold 2, and we have the Chinese red 12GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. And also here, yes, it's more information about this device. And next, okay, let's unbox it and check what's inside these books. Okay, so here, after we unbox it, we open the box. Whoa, the phone is just here in front of us, but it was well protected by a black, very dark black, soft plastic screen protector X Fold 2. And here is the second generation. The processor used a second generation processor from Snapdragon 8, and it's also used as customized SPU security chips. Here, this is the smartphone, and before we check smartphone, let's check other stuff first. So under this smartphone here, oh yeah, it's the other stuff inside these books. So here, it's a X Fold 2 membership card. Yes, they provide some special right for the user of X Fold 2 because it's the flagship of this model. So this will be high-end product. Provide some special rights. Here, some warranty tips for use the smartphone. It's a foldable screen, so it will give us some tips here. And it's also the quick instruction, quick guide. And here, here is the 120 watt, fast charger. It's nice. Type C to Type C, 120 watt fast charger. And here, it's the cable. As we can see, let's get it out. It's Type C to Type C. Whoa, cable. Now here is the cable, the Type C to Type C cable. And this time they provide a 800 big batteries with 120 watts fast charging, and also it have supports 50 watt wireless charging, and also it support reverse charging. So this is about the cable. Here, they also provide it's a nice, a very high-end, beautiful designed case. Here is transparent, and here is the leather material red case. Also they put the Zeus and the Vivo logo, printed on the leather. This kind of stitching design is also very nice. So here is the case. Let's put it aside. Also here is the the SIM card ejector, SIM card pin. So this is all the stuff inside these books. And next, I cannot wait to show you the smartphone. Here. So here. Now, here's the X Fold 2, and let's get it out from the protector. Whoa. Here. Here. Whoa. Let's get out the phone. So now here is the Vivo X Fold 2, the latest foldable smartphone from Vivo. So I will talk On the specification, design, and everything about this device. The first, I think I will introduce the design, because this time they also use the classical family design from the last generation, and as you may know, this is their second foldable device, so it's very easy to recognize it's from Vivo. And also this time they use some special design language on this device here. The first is the back panel. When we fold it, we can find here it's the red material. The leather is very soft, but here it's kind of glass. It's touched very smoothly. So the Vivo combined these two material together, and it's very nice when we hold it in our hand. Different material and different feelings. So this is very new and a very special design from the Vivo X Fold2. And also here it's a round arrow is the camera zoom. They have a triple camera system and LED flashlight, and also they print the Vivo logo on the leather, and also they put the details on the leather material as well. And the framework of this device is also shining, and also very smooth and very comfortable when I hold it in my hand. So totally, when I hold it in my hand, I feel that it's very comfortable, and the size is also okay. It's not too big, and also it's not too heavy. Actually, compared to the last generation, the Vivo X Fold2 is with light 33 grams light, and also the thickness is more thin. It's only 12.9 when we fold it, and when we unfold it, it have only 6.07 mm. So this is pretty nice, and also the dimension about this watch is also good. 161.29 and here width, length 143.43 when we unfold it, and when we fold it is only 73.442. yeah, the width when we unfold it is 12.9, and the story is 13.2, and when we unfold it is 5.95, and the weight is only 278.5 grams. So this is very nice. And also about after the screen, after the brief introduction about the design, I think we will talk about the screen. Okay, we can switch, and for now we skipped many steps, and now we enter the OS. So this is the appearance when we unfold it. And here is a big screen. The inside screen is a 2K. Okay, the 2K screen. They have 8.03 inch. It supports 3D on the screen, fingerprint lock, and the 2K E6 screen. And here, when we fold it, get a 6.53 inch outside screen. It also supports 120 Hz refresh rate, like the inside screen, and also it supports the 2K and E6 screen. So this is a very high-end screen. Yes. And also, this time about the screen, they also bring us some other improvements. They have a 120 Hz refresh rate, and it also support LTPO TPO 4.0, and it supports HDR10 Plus and 1800 nit peak brightness, and the display resolution is 2160 by 1916. So this both inside and outside, so this can provide a very good experience for watching the movies or the play games, because the outside inside all the both have the same experience. So it's very nice to have such a high-end screen. Also the hinge, this time the hinge also improved here from the first generation. The hinge dimensions from 4.6 to 5, so it can be more durable compared to the last generation. And the material, they use the FS54 aviation class and carbon fiber, durable IPC materials. So it's pretty nice when we use it. Not only beautiful, not only nice design and good fittings, but also more durable compared to the last generation. They also passed the TUV test and also support 400 and 1000 test. So this is pretty nice. And also, besides the screen, yes, we can also talk about the camera, because this time the camera is also get a higher specification. Here is the triple rear camera system. It have a 50 megapixel main camera, VCS, big sensor, and they have 12 megapixel wide angle and 12 megapixel portrait mode. And also here is the front camera. Is a 60 megapixel Super HD front camera. It have two cameras to be here and here. So both, yes, here 60 megapixel and inside screen also 16 pixels. So this is also very nice if you like to take selfies. This will provide you a very convenient, very good user experience. And also next part about the charging, and I mentioned this have a 120 watt fast charging supported and 550 wireless charging, and also it support wireless charging, and also it have a big battery 4800. So this is pretty nice as well. And also besides the battery, the screen, and the camera and the display, I'm going to talk about the processor the user this time. We go to settings to check more information about this device, about the smartphone. Yeah, I think it's system management about the phone here. This is Vivo X Fold 2. It's have a Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 mobile platform processor and support octa-core core. The maximum support is 3.2 GHz. 12 GB RAM plus 512 GB ROM. It have a 8 extra virtual ROM. It also used the V2 chips from Vivo, the self-developed chips. It's about image ISP, and the processor is 4 nanometers producing technology. And also about the OS is based on Android 17. So for the processor is also a very higher specification. It's kind of flagship specification on the market, and the RAM support LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0 RAM and ROM. It can meet almost all your demands in your daily life, so no need to worry about it. Gaming or daily life use, camera, everything it can meet your command. Okay, so this is the basic introduction about this flagship model from Vivo, the Vivo X Fold 2. And next I'm going to have some sample test about the camera at the end of the video. Okay, I will give a object here and take some examples here. Okay, first, wide angle, 2 times. Front, 16 front, outside. Okay, 16 megapixel inside. Switch. Okay, so here is today's video. I will put samples at the end of the video, and thanks for watching my video. And let's stay tuned, waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye. Wow, amazing. Whoa. Bye bye.